last components that's also extremely crucial is the ability to have proper core strength. Now, if you think about it, we culminate all these things together. If you have good static balance, so your ability to stand stable, dynamic balance, able to move, and agility, able to move quick, you have good vision, have good hearing, have it tamed at least. But if your body doesn't have a good core strength, the second you move forward, it's going to become unstable and you're not going to be able to balance properly, okay? So core strength is incredibly important, and there's a few ways that I work core strength with seniors. One of them, this is my favorite drill, is what we call a single arm farmer's carry, okay? So you're gonna grab a dumbbell or just a heavy jug of milk or just some cans. You can fill up a bag with books. You just need something that can pull your body down unilaterally on one side. And then all you're gonna do, we're gonna do, make this a little tough, you're actually going to walk very, very slowly with just that weight on your side, okay? Just that weight, and it's going to be pulling you to the side so it doesn't feel like much is going on. But you're going to actively be contracting your oblique of the side that weight is on your arm, okay? And since we're moving, this is going to work our balance, our dynamic balance in particular as well, okay? So you can load this one up pretty heavy. You can probably go up a lot heavier than you think you can, but I always think of carrying in groceries for this one. Not directly why you do this, but a good application of why something like this is important for you to do. If you want to make this even more challenging on your balance, we can do a heel to toe walk with this. So same concept, it's pulling me to that side, but with the heel to toe, it's then fighting me to kind of go back and forth in this position, okay? So nice and controlled, nice and carefully. Single arm farmer's carry, by far one of my most favorite exercises. And two more, these ones are also really good. We're gonna find that slightly staggered stance. So go to a heel to toe position or half step semi-tandem position. And we're gonna do what we call leans, okay? So very similar to that, except we're actively gonna be leaning towards one side and we're just gonna be holding it here. This is gonna work the core strength through those obliques again, but we can also do it forward. So then we're going to be working the core strength of our lower back, do it to the other side, work the core strength of that side of the oblique, and then slightly backwards. This is where you do want to be careful though, because it does get slightly dangerous. Don't need to go back too far for this. Now we're working the front of our core or our ab muscles for our overall core strength. And you can do this all the way around. You can do this in kind of a circle like this, doing around the world. You can do it quickly, you can do it fast, making sure we're doing both sides of this so we get equal balance work throughout. So core strength, incredibly important for that aspect. Go ahead and drop a like if that gave you a new perspective on balance and you learned something new.